this is a home tour. We are going to be visiting Unit 1C. This property is located in Roy. It is a fourplex, and this unit does have its own storage carport as well. We're going to just go down the stairs here, take a look at this unit. So we enter in. We've got a nice family room here with a wood-burning fireplace. And then just off to the right here, we've got a little dining area. We do have a storage closet right here in the front entrance. Coat closet. All right, and then this is gonna be the kitchen area. Got a dishwasher, fridge, and this property does have a washer and dryer, which is included. All right, we're gonna go down the hallway. This just connects to the family room right here. We're gonna go down the hallway. This is a 2-bed, 1-bath property. So we're gonna hit bedroom number 1 here, just to the left. This is a good sized bedroom here. And we'll just get a quick picture. We've got a nice large closet. We've got another hall closet here for storage, lots of storage. And then bedroom number 2 right here. We'll just get that closet right there. All right, and then let's take a look at the bathroom. So we've got a nice tile surround bathroom, vanity. And that is it. That is it for our 2-bedroom, 1-bath property. This is located in Roy. If you're interested in applying for this property, visit our website at nvpm.com. Click on rental search and you can submit an application or schedule a showing there.